How to fix music fail to play tracks error in Realme C53 or C55. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now click on app management and then scroll down and click on music app and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of music app. After clear the cache memory, then go back to your home screen and open Play Store and search PowerAmp. Now install this PowerAmp app. After install this app, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.